welcome back to the Earl Entertainment YouTube channel. Beautiful night for a cruise. So we're gonna take this here 1955 Chevy 210 down to get some fuel at the fuel station. I got J5 the one with me.
Hello. Make sure you bring your toy cars to the car show because the kids are gonna be making their own show with these little toy cars.
Awesome.
And we'll also have a book with us, but we don't have it right now. It's up in the house.
Yeah, so the kids are gonna have their own show with the toy cars too?
Yep, and I can give you a little replica of the ones that I've had for a long time.
Awesome. Sounds good. Again, if you guys don't know, June 27th, Acton, Maine Fairgrounds, having a big car show. This car goes good down the road, doesn't it?
Yep. But do you think you can make that up that hill over there?
Oh yeah.
I bet so.
327 in this thing. You got plenty of power. Remember that light being there? That must be new. That blinking light, that must be new. I don't remember that being there. There's one on the other side of the road too.
Be on the highway.
I'm stopping right here to get fuel. Squeaking a little bit, huh? I have to check that belt. Let's leave this thing on because I'm not sure about the battery just yet. It looks like we got a passenger side directional out. That's why that light's on the dash. right, guys, that's it for today. Appreciate y'all tuning in. Till the next time, Earl Entertainment. Peace.